What do you see outside your window?
Barely see it all.
Yes, that's a problem. The windshield wipers are frozen to the windshield. And here, take a look here. This, we have that on, right? We have that on, we have it on high. The issue is this defrost, come follow my hand, hits this windshield right here. The wiper's a little bit further down, and so they're not getting any heat from the windshield and from the defrost. Also, I tried to just go in there and lift them up because they're frozen to whatever they're frozen to, but you can't because they're protected by the hood, right? Part of the aerodynamics is so you don't just see windshield wipers when you look out the window. All very nice and good, but when they're frozen in there, I can't get it out. So we're stuck trying to drive with this, and it's not easy. What we'll do when we stop is I will open up the hood and see if I can unstick the windshield wipers. We're gonna try and open up that hood. See what happens. All right, hood is open. Oh, right. Hood is not staying open. Put arm underneath the hood and reach out and unstick it like that. Okay, so I just unstuck it like that. To open up the hood because the struts are broken. Putting my shoulder underneath it. Let's do it again. There we go. Let's see how that goes. Oh no, it doesn't want to close. I was worried that would happen. There's too much ice in there and crap. Had this issue before. Let's see if I at least fixed that. All right, windshield wipers are moving. Yay! But the hood that doesn't close. This is miserable. Good news. Look at this.
Oh, how did you do it?
I opened up the hood.
Oh, that's what you had to do.
Bad news is
The hood won't close.
you guessed it. We're gonna go home and you can hold up the hood because remember it doesn't hold up on its own.
Right.
I'm gonna clear out as much as I can and see what I can do.
Oh, maybe that's just it.
We'll see.
You need me to hold the hood up?
You gotta be the prop with your left hand. You'll have to lean heavy into it. Okay.
Hopefully this will do the trick. Yeah, lots of little ice chunks.
Don't let go. Otherwise,
I won't.
you will not have a guitar player in the band.
Oh no, that would be bad.
Look at that. Look at how. Oh.
Yeah, it's just like thick. There you go. Yeah, it looks like you got it cleared.
Okay. All right, let's see.
If that works.
Okay, there we go.
Right?
All right.
Here's
Please
the
close.
test.
Please close.
Closed. You did it. Ta-da!
Remember to subscribe because We're suffering out here.